Hi guys, welcome back to another great episode of Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make these beautiful restaurant style onion bhajis. These make a great snack with a curry or just as a side snack. The following ingredients you will need: 3 potatoes, slice them like thin matchsticks, 2 large onions, slice them in C shapes, 3/4 cups of Besan flour or chickpea flour, 3 medium eggs at room temperature, half a green pepper, 2 tablespoons of lentils, I'll soak this for about 20 minutes, green chilies, and coriander. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic and ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and salt to taste. Okay, we're going to add the onions now, followed by the potatoes, green peppers, and lentils. Then add the chilies, garlic and ginger paste, and fresh coriander. Then add the eggs. Add salt to taste. Add 2 teaspoons of curry powder. We have a tutorial on how to make homemade curry powder in our channel. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds. You want to be quite generous here, as these add quite a punchy flavour to the onion bhajis and give it that distinct crunch. Now that all the veg and spices are in the bowl, it's time to get your hands messy and start combining all the ingredients. Once the mixture has been thoroughly blended, I'm going to now add the Besan flour and continue to mix it for a minute or so. Once your mixture has been thoroughly blended, heat a large pan with some oil and start making your onion bhajis. I like to make mine like golf ball sizes. Make sure you don't squeeze them too hard, you want them to be light and puffy, and you want the heat to get through to the centre of the onion bhajis so you get a nice crispy finish on the outside and not a soggy centre. The onion bhajis take about 5 to 8 minutes to usually cook through. Make sure your heat is on a low-medium heat setting. If the temperature of the oil is far too hot, the exterior of the onion bhaji will result in crisping and burning far too soon, and the centre of the onion bhaji will be soggy. After about 3.5 minutes, carefully turn over each side, making sure all sides are evenly crisped. You know the onion bhajis are cooked as soon as they turn a beautiful golden hue in colour. We at Marjana's Kitchen would like to thank you very much for watching our video. We can't wait for all you to try this recipe within your own kitchen. Please share and like our video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.